and welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. This time I'm going to show you how I propagate my Forsythia. And these stems are growing weird ways, as you can see to the right. So I'm going to cut them off because I don't want them that way. I'm cutting above a node or a new little plant that's coming out of there. Every single time I'm cutting one off. This one as well. This one I'm going to leave, and that one behind there I'm going to cut it off right there. These are the cuttings that I've made. This very long one I'm going to cut it in 4 pieces. Every time you cut it above, just above one little new plant, just like that. This one I'm going to cut right there. This little stem has also new growth, so we're going to leave it like this. And this one is dead, so I will cut it right here. These are the cuttings, and I'm going to get a glass jar of water, and I'm going to show you how I put it in there. This one is going in there right away because it has no leaves. The bottom ones, I'm going to pull them off, just like this, so that the stem can sit in water without leaves in the water. Just like this, I will tear it off. You don't need scissors. And this one is going in like this because it has a little stem. And this one, I'm going to pull them off at the bottom, just like this. This one as well. And this one, I'm going to leave it like this. It's not a pretty cutting, but well, this one as well, bottom leaves off. And I'm going to show you what I do with the little plants that I pulled off, because they have a little bit of stem. So I'm going to try if they will grow too. This one is going in like this, all the way down, I guess. Yep. And this one, pull this off. And for the smaller ones, I'm going to get a smaller glass jar, because these little guys need to be in here. No, I don't think it's fitting. No. I'm going to get a little one, because these have little stems on them, as you can see there. A little glass jar for the little cuttings. Just put them in there. Some I will pull the leaves off at the bottom, so it has a little stem. Look at this. You see the bottom that's brown? That's the little stem that's on there. put them in there. And I will put the big glass jar outside, and the little one I am growing that inside my house because it has a little water in there, so that I don't forget to water it. Just put them in there. Bottom leaves off. And if you see them rotting in water, just get the leaves out of there and give it some fresh water. These are the 2 glass jars I've made. You can see the stems are all in the water. And keep attention at the water level. This one is going outside. And these 2 are going in there as well. These are the 2 that I've made, and I will show you in the update video how they will turn out. Thank you for watching.